Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com, making this video about gold. So let's get started. This is the chart I started with last Sunday when it was a weekend, right? For the preparing ourselves for this week. Now this one shows that this is some kind of wave three ending here, big powerful wave three, and after that this is like A, B, C correction for wave four. That's what happen usually. Let me show you the chart that what I'm looking for. Like one, two, and then you have big wave three, then you have A, B, C, wave four, sideways correction, flat correction, and then you go up for wave five. So based on that, I made that chart and we start to follow. So what happened to this chart so far? And what I think I redo it, and this is how it looks like currently, right? So this is wave three. A, B, C, wave four finished, we were here, and then we started to go up a little bit, right? So somewhere here, somewhere, maybe right there, maybe it's already finished, or maybe we'll go up a little bit more to the upside. But if you look right there, it says 48, 42, right? We touched and we dropped. So maybe this is it. If this is wave one already finished, then we're going to be dropping for wave two. That's probably, right? Uh, and after that, wave three, wave four, wave five. So this is how usually after wave four, this is how wave five comes in. And that shows in this chart, maybe I can show you that, how, for example, this chart here, right? So you can see this one, two, three, four. So after four, wave five comes and it comes in five waves. One, two, three, four, five. Small waves. So these are sub waves, and that's what I draw here. I was doing one-on-one, so I was trying to explain that and teaching someone, right? So this is how it is. So let's see what happened. But this is the one. So now, yesterday, not even yesterday, before that, in fact, yesterday, right? So I came up with this chart, and let me show you that chart. It was this, my Renko chart, right? Saying that if I draw the fib from here to here, it came down and it hit the 61%. And usually, from there, it goes to 23% line, and that is going to be my first target, and I will make the entry and then go there. And after that, either it's going to hold and drop or go continue to the upside. Depend on the fund days and what chart that explains this chart. For example, if you have a move here and then drop to 61%, then it goes to 23% line, and this is the junction that where it's going to decide that either it's going to come down here, make a harmonic pattern or something. In this case, probably is like a girdler, right? So from 61.78, it's a girdler, 61.23.78. If not, if may drop here a little bit, it's probably like 23% line. If you draw the fifth from here to here, this will be 61, then 23, and then it will go this, or this, right? So this is the very important thing, the very important area, the C point right now, but we are at 23% line. So what happened to my chart was this. I made the chart that's going to go, and my first target would be 23% line. So we got that, right? And obviously, I was expecting that, and I told you guys that I'm going to take the trade, and then I'm going to show it to you guys that this is how my trade is taken. And let me show you here the trade that I took, and it was this. Okay, so this is the today's trade for 750 pip. As soon as it start to go to the upside, right there is my EA open the trade. This little arrow here. So buy order is right there, and then from there on, you can see how nice and clean it went up all the way, right? And hit the 20% line, and that's where I closed. Where a little bit before that, I closed it. So what is now? Let's go take a look. So after that, let me see that chart here. So this is the chart. This is once we get there, now I make the chart that, okay, let me see if the chart that I made and I posted on the Telegram, where the heck that chart go? Yeah, right there, right? So when it was here, touching it, before having a reversal candle, I made the chart and I said that if we stop below this is 47.99. So I said 4,800. If we stay below and start dropping, then it may go to 78%, which is also 46.55 and 4 hour chart high. So this is one thing, but it may drop to here and then go to the upside. Why? Because let's see. If I draw the fifth from here to here, how much is this? This is 61%. Let me see. Okay. You see that? Exact solid touch of 61%. So again, the same drama upside down, which was with this fib, the 61.23, right? So now we have this fib, then we have 61. Then it can come down to 63 and then go for 78 and become a failed Gertley and then continue go to the 127 or 161 because the trend is to the upside. And according to daily chart, we're supposed to be going all the way to the upside, even higher than this. So it can do this mumbo jumbo here in small area and then go to the upside first, finish this wave one, and then we will drop. I hope I'm making any sense, right? Yeah, I know that this Elliott wave mumbo jumbo is a little tricky, right? Because you have to see on different time frames and try to, you gotta understand that. So I'm, like, okay, we have a reversal candle already and a red candle is underway, right? So now a very good chance that it will go down, but how far? Are we going to go down all the way to 78% or maybe 23% of this fib right around here and then post a reversal candle again to the upside, and that's where my game will start towards long. I like to go long at this moment. So I already have the short here. I have a short entry, and I have my SL and all of that, hoping that it will go down to at least 23%. I'll sit on a break even and then see if I can go down here, but that will be against the trend. That's fine. I'll do all the time, always. But yeah, I would see that after that, even if we come down here, then I think we're gonna go up big time. So this is what it is. This is the new chart here, and let's see what happens. So far, so good. We have a reversal candle, and but like I said, this is what happened, right? So uh, if you draw the fib from here to here, this is 61.23. It may come down here or not, or it may come down here. And if you draw the fib from here to here, that would be 61.23, and then go up 78, drop a little bit, right? Become a failed Gertley and go to 100%, 127 or 161. Time will tell, right? So more peace agreement, solid peace agreement. We will go up. War escalate. We're gonna go down. Simple as that. Let's just watch that and trade accordingly. Right. So right now, let's see if what the gold is doing currently on a smaller time frame. If you, I don't have it here, the smaller time frame, at least this one I have. So it came down here. See, this is the 23% line. So far we came down here and then maybe going down even more. 1 hour chart, again, this is what I'm expecting that if it is wave one, then this drop and then going up, it's like could be one or two, and then it can come down all the way here to 3, 4, 5. That would be A. Then we're gonna go up for B and then come down for C and 2. But if this is not the end of wave one, then this is could be this like coming down here, and from here it will come down here and then go up again to this high or this high here. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Sometimes what happens is that you think that this is wave four, but this is wave four or wave three. So if wave three is ending here, then where the heck is wave four and five? So we may go down, like A, B, C here. That would be wave four. And then we will start to go for wave five to the upside. But then, forget about this chart right now. This is another version that, I was explaining that, in my one-on-one that this could be, if you can see, Gertley pattern calculation is like from here to here. If that's the one from X to A, then B can come here, C, and then D. And this will be a big Gertley pattern on a daily chart. Right. So the small chart, the Elliott wave, basically, you can find them from 1 minute chart to weekly, monthly, or yearly chart as well, right? So it depends which chart you prefer to trade. But I go, around and look every possibility of a possible turning point, right? So right now you can see on a 5 minute chart that it is dropping nicely. right? You see that? So it was trying to go up, but then got refusal right here, big time, and then it start to drop. So let's see. Let's see. So my final chart right now is not final, but this is from here to coming down to 78, or may get stopped here somewhere, 50%, and then start to go to the upside. So let's see what happens. But like I said, I'm short right now. I got 750 going from here to here. Let's see how much we get. I get if my SL is hit at break even, coming down and then start to go up, then obviously I'll go long to the upside, and then I get my bread and butter from the upside. All right. So this is it for now. And my son Omar, he trying to change my system, Ivy Creative Ivy system, this Renko system, in different platforms for different brokers, because we get emails, a lot of emails asking and requesting, because a lot of people are quitting using MT4. Yeah, so there are too many platforms out there, right? So he already have done the Ninja Trader, but the Ninja Trader don't have Forex pairs. There's probably also, only for Nasdaq, S&P 500 stock, right? So then he started doing that on C Trader platform, and I think he's already done it, or maybe very close, right? So different AI programs are helping a lot, right? So it's becoming more and more possible. And now he was telling me that he did it already, and he sent out an email that he finally made the same system on for MT5 before. Not only system, the thing is that we need to do the CTS, that auto trading robot, to convert that auto trading robot and all the settings and everything in the coding. So it wasn't a bit able to do it before, but now he finally did it, and it will be available soon on the website. My system and the CTS alarm and the robot, right? On 4MT5. Okay, so watch out for that, and probably he's gonna launch that maybe tomorrow, sometimes, right? So let's see. So after that, if C Trader is completed, if not, well, he will finish that as well, and then convert the whole, this same system for different platforms, so that people, probably we will hit that and try to make it for TradingView as well later on. All right. So as we go along, I'll notify you guys. Then if whoever wants to trade different platforms, that's fine. But I'm an old guy and I like old things, right? I'm good with that. My MT4 right now. I don't want to learn new things. MT4 is simple, working for me very nicely. I tell you day by day, every single day, way beforehand. I show you the setup, that this is what it is and this is what I'm supposed to do. And I take my trades and I show you the trades, right? And there's no hanky panky there, right? So system work fine, perfect. Some people don't understand the system and try to play it differently and the wrong way, and then what can I say, right? So you must understand, you must learn. Anything you want to become master, you must learn spend some time and learn. So, MT5 looking good. He showed me the charts and all of that. And the system looks good, exactly the same way. The candles, the colors, and the EMAs and everything. All right. So that would be a big success. So we have MT4, MT5, Ninja is covered, and now he's probably going to finish a C Trader and then maybe TradingView or something else. So we will convert the system to almost every platform, so that people from different platform can use it. All right. So this is it for now. Let's see everything else. I give you a couple of other. This is what I think that Euro Aussie Pound Aussie going to do. They have done. So, for example, this one is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beautiful Elliott wave count, and then you can see here this big drop A, B, C. This is called zigzag, right? Where the wave B is only 38%. So it was a nice drop, and then maybe this is also like a girdlet type of pattern, right? One X, A, B, C, D right here at 61%. So if may go. If we go up, I think it's gonna go up. So if we're gonna go up, that would be to target 23% line for B, and then we'll do it down for C. This is pound Aussie. By the way, Euro USD almost doing the same thing. One, two, three, four, five. A. Now B and C are to go, right? So this is also I'm gonna take the trades and I'll show you tomorrow. All right. So so far a lot of trades already taken. How many trades? 15, including one, two, three, four. No, three, and this is the fourth. Four. Yeah, five trades in gold so far. Right. So remember, in the beginning of the week, I said that last week I was hitting Bitcoin, so I just forgot about the gold completely. Wasn't even looking at it. But then this time I said, bye bye, Bitcoin. Let me pay attention to gold and see what happened. And then this is what it is. I'm making video as I go along, showing you the setups, the charts, and taking my trades accordingly and showing you my trades. So this is how the system works. If you like what you saw, you want to get it, you want to be a part of it, then go on my website and take it from there. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week. Pound USD, I gotta fix that. It didn't work out. USD, I had it, USD yen, sorry. So it's supposed to drop all the way to 127. So it came down here, went up, and then got stuck here. Maybe one more push to the downside. I don't know. It depends on the USD, right? So like I said, USD is controlled by Trump right now. Anything he says, it fluctuates up and down and make a mess out of my charts, right? So let's see what happens. Let's see. So bye for now and talk to you guys later.